Good morning. My name is Amro Salah, and today I will be representing my team platform pioneers. We were participating in the EduHack, the first EduHack ever made by Sahaba Club. We want to present our solution or our application and what we have arrived at or what we developed in the past 10 days of the competition. As you can see, our application is called SkillSync AI. And of course, I do want to give a great round of applause for Ahmed Zuka and all the other coaches that helped us around and also maintained our knowledge throughout the whole competition with insightful information. First I want to introduce myself as well. I'm a fourth year in MIT in GUC in Cairo, German University in Cairo. I major in media technology of engineering. So it does have some background in coding, high level coding. So this was a new experience for me and also my colleagues Mu'min and Syed. We all learned new stuff in this competition as well as new ways of thinking and also adding more to our knowledge. So our main goal was to build an application that actually solves real world solutions, real world problems with modern solutions integrating AI, and also being able to provide a functional app. Of course, I will tell you what we reached here in the application. Our main solution was that in corporate nowadays, when we assign tasks to certain employees, it would be much easier if you could know which employees are their skills are, so you could assign the best matching projects or tasks to the best available employees at the moment. Because assigning the wrong task to the wrong employee is gonna be a major headache. That's why I wanted to develop a solution to our problem, which is having to invent a application that does this automatically. How does it do it? Mainly, each project, of course, or tasks has its own description. So when we input a description for the project, we get AI to analyze the tasks or the skills required for such a project or such a task. So based on this, we will be starting to assign the projects or the tasks to matching employees, which are required or are applicable to solve such a project or such a of course a problem. Yeah. So our application is called SkillSync AI from the name SkillSync. Basically, we do have employees that have their own skills, and we start by matching them with the product descriptions for certain AI with certain projects. Of course, we don't need to do anything. It's all manual. It's all automatic. So basically, we just input the projects and the details, and also we just start by matching the employees, and it will match it automatically. So we'll be able to assign the projects automatically. So as you can see here, this is the outline, or this is how the application looks from the outside. As you can see, we have on the side here, we have all the buttons needed to navigate throughout the application and our application logo as well as our home page. So if I started to display it, as you can see here, we have multiple screens that we can go through. As you can see, we have the employee screen, the employee profile, project details, and matching employees, as well as help and exit, of course. As you can see, if I click on the employees, it will start by featuring all the employees that I have available. As you can see here, all of them are here. Just a brief name with their department. Of course, as further searching, you can add the search list at the top here. But that's what we've reached so far. Of course, you can add an employee through this button right here. If I click on it, we'll be able to add a new employee, as you can see here. But that's not what we want to do right now. So navigating back to the employees, as you can see here, if I click on one employee like Bob Johnson, as you can see here, I will start by getting his name, the record that was created on, he's active or not, his Gmail, his department, and also the skills that he has. And also I can add skills if I want to, based on the level as well. And I click on add here, and it will add the skills required for the employee as well. So we can fit his profile with the description of the project, of course. And also, I do have the ability to delete if I do want to delete a skill that a certain employee has. Navigating back here to employee profile is actually the same thing that we have here, but it's the profile that we will have for the employee. Also, we have the projects tab, which is all the available projects, as you can see here, all the available projects. Of course, clicking on one will actually navigate us to the project's details, which has the project name, the record was created on, the start date, and status of it's active or not, as well as the suggested skills from the description, as you can see here. And if you click on find matching employees, it will start by matching the employees that we have reached to the specific project description. Of course, the help and the exit are gonna be extra features moving forward in developing this app, of course. So this was a quick overview of my application. As you mentioned, as you see before, we have the employees. We managed to our employees right here. We can add a new employee from here as well, and add also their skills, specific skills also, and also their levels for advanced, basic, or intermediate. So yes, and as you can see, I mentioned before the employee profile, the project details, and the matching employees, of course. So as you can see, this is a quick rundown of my application and the stuff that we tried to achieve and what's our main goal. We have been able to integrate it with an Azure AI, of course, to help us with the flow, as well as identifying the description of the application. So this is our main application, as mentioned before. Of course, there are more features to come in our application, and this is just the beginning of a bigger cycle of development. So yes, this was me representing Platform Pioneers. I'm Salah, the team leader. Again, a great regards to all the coaches and Ahmed Zuka and Isra and Muhammad Atallah and all the other coaches. I appreciate your help and I appreciate all the knowledge that you have provided for us. And I wish you all a great deal of happiness and a good day coming forward.